Go.
Why? It doesn't hurt that bad.
How do
I already did.
how do I zoom in?
I don't know what's
It's gotta be good if you're gonna do it.
Well, how do I zoom in?
Is it good?
I
Yeah,
guess.
I'm trying to get you right now.
Ah, so nervous, she's scared.
Alrighty, come here.
Okay.
This is the problem with getting attached to
Oh
someone.
my god, look at that. That looks so bad. That looks
From Tallahassee around.
Did you do it already for
Made
real?
me feel more alone.
How long does it bite you? Is that like, huh? Which finger should I do it? Right here? This is so scary.
Look at him poking out.
This is so scary, dude.
Mexico.
Just do it.
Oh.
You know what? Twinkies in Mexico. Reno's.
Oh my god. It broke the skin, dude. It fucking hurt. Fuck you.